do you want to convert this into this? If you also want to animate any still image, I'll tell you exactly how I did this. And even the image of the boat I used was generated by AI. In this video, I'll show you all the steps from generating the image to animating it without spending a single penny or giving your card info. So let's move to my PC screen. I wanted to generate an animation for my short video, which was about the T-app data breach. First, I went to ChatGPT. You don't need any fancy prompts, just keep it simple like I did. Within 3 to 4 minutes, ChatGPT gave me an image that was better than I expected and matched my video perfectly. But since it was for a short, the image had to be in 9:16 ratio. So I went to Pixelcut, uploaded the image, and selected the desired ratio. You can move the image anywhere, like if you want to expand it from the bottom, just move it to the top, and vice versa. Pixelcut will auto-expand it for you. Next, to animate the image, I went to Domo AI, uploaded the image, and told it how I wanted it animated. The result was awesome, but it adds a watermark. So in the last step, just go to Photo, upload your video, and select the part with the watermark. Photo gives you only the first 3 seconds for free, but usually 3 seconds is enough for a clean animation. I hope you understood the full process. If you have any questions, drop a comment below. Like and subscribe for more tricks like this.